Hello, students. So those who are planning to appear in Diploma in IFRS, powered by ACCA, or need some information or are preparing for that. So this is about what are the paper requirements of this particular diploma. So this Diploma IFRS is a computer-based exam, first of all, and the examination is 3 hours and 15 minutes. This is the total duration. And the question will contain a mix of computational aspects and discursive elements. All the questions are compulsory. So total marks are 100 and the passing marks are 50. All questions worth 25 marks each. First question is always related with the preparation of one or more of the consolidated financial statement. It might be an income statement, it might be balance sheet, so it might be disposal of subsidiary as a part question. And there are different accounting standards also assessed in the calculation in the consolidated financial statement. Question number 2 will often be related to a scenario in which question arises regarding the appropriate accounting treatment or disclosure of a range of issues. And this will be comprises of a 5-mark ethics question too. Question 3 will usually focus on more specifically on one specific IFRS standard. And this should contain a mixture of explanation of the principle as well as the application. Question 4 usually consists of a scenario in which candidate is given a series of queries from a superior related to the financial statement. And the requirement will usually be to answer each query. The queries will normally be independent of each other. So there are 425 marks question comprises of different theoretical aspects and numerical aspects. And the key is, if you have a good understanding of the consolidated financial statement, you can easily pass this diploma in IFRS. Remember that some IFRS are very detailed and complex, such as IFRS 9, financial instrument, IFRS 16, revenue, IFRS 15, revenue, IFRS 16, leases. So the candidate should be aware of the principles and key elements of these standards, and also to have an understanding of the background of the related standards and the global perspective, that what is the current changes are going on between ISB and the American standards. And finally, the syllabus contains outcomes related to the demonstration of appropriate digital and employability skills in preparing for and taking the diploma exam, because this is a computer-based exam. So you have to use these digital and employability skills. And overall, the passing marks is 50. So if anyone is interested to join this diploma in IFRS preparation classes, he or she can contact us on our website on our given number.